If you want to see how I took this and turned it into this, please stay tuned. Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here to give y'all another tip for Tip Tuesday. And I just came up with, I just taught myself this today. Now, we all know as crafters that we recycle a whole bunch of packaging and things like that. So, I got to thinking today, and I'm like, wait a minute. I have all these packaging from, you know, things that I buy, like from Crafter Square or whatever. Okay, so got these cardboards here, which I'll use for something, but we're focusing on these bags here. Now you got the long ones and you have the short ones. Today we're going to focus on the shorter bags, okay? Now, we all know how they come with the little, how can I show this to where y'all can see it? That piece here, like right here, to hang it on a peg or whatever, this here, it's on the bag. See it? So, what I do is I take my trimmer and I try to get it as close to that hole as I can. So, I'm going to take it and just trim it like that. But that's not it. Okay? You can take a pair of scissors, okay? And on this side where you opened it, where you cut the piece off at, first lay your bag down, then take it, snip it a little. You can use a X-Acto knife to do the same thing. Okay, I think an X-Acto knife would be easier. And trim that, making sure you have both sides the same length going down. Okay, now I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna make sure I have it going the same side as where you can open the bag itself. Now this you can use for shipping bags, but I have another idea that was brought to my attention that I will test out and let y'all know. But right now I'm going to use these as a shipping bag. So I'm going to take the part that I folded over and, whoops, make sure you only have that part in your scissors, and go across, holding the flap that you have at the top up so you can get in that crease. Okay, and then you got this piece. Put that to the side. Now I'm using double-sided tape from Crafter Square, and I've been using it for a little bit now, and it is very strong tape. So I'm going to put it here, and I've used it on plenty of projects, and it's real sticky. So I'm going to also take my needle, since I don't have my pokey tool with me. I'm going to take my crochet hook and just peel it back and get it as close to the edge as you can, and crease your fold with your finger or a pair of scissors, and you have a bag. You can use it for shipping, you can use it for storage, it's endless is what you can do with it now that you have repurposed the bag. I'll show y'all one more time. I already cut the top piece off. Now all I have to do is take it, cut slit, slit, like that. Making sure I put my fold over here in the same place. I'll take the part that I slit, crease it with my finger, or you can crease it with a bone folder, which I don't have my bone folder at the moment. You can also use the back end of your scissors to do burnishing. Okay, and you just trim that off. You can throw that away later. Then you take whatever tape you want, as long as it's real sticky. You cannot use liquid glue for this part. You can use ATG tape, Suquang score tape, any double-sided tape. Okay, burnish it on. It's really tough tape. And I'm gonna take my needle here, and I'm just gonna run it under here. Boom. Take this, fold it over, burnish it with my finger, and then push down on the tape. The tape will show some, but this is the bottom of your bag. You can flip it over, well, the top of your bag. You can flip it over and put a bag topper up here to cover that tape. But that's that, ladies and gents. How to take packaging from anything that you buy from the store and put it there. Now I have an idea for this too, to make a back topper. I will show y'all that later. Okay, so be on the lookout for that Tip Tuesday video. Here you go. I've made 2 bags so far. Well, actually I've made this one. That's 3. And I've done 4 bags so far. And I'm still going. So every time I buy something that comes with cardboard and a little bag like this is what I'm going to do with the bag. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and leave a comment down below. And also, if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when, I have other videos coming. And also, be kind, be loving, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye for now.